Hi, my name is Jason Adamson. I am the machinist here at Regal Plastics in Houston. Been here for about 8 months. In my time here, I have discovered that this control arm for this machine is in a very bad place considering the amount of room we have to work with. It provides a safety hazard and a choke point for getting equipment in and out from behind the machine. So what I have decided to do is to remove this arm and replace it with this device that I made in our shop here. We'll be back shortly and I will show you the end result. As you can see, we have replaced the control arm with this box. It provides a much cleaner access around the machine. It's much safer, pulls the cords up out of the way, does everything it needs to do to make this operation much easier. I will provide a word of warning concerning these machines. Always check with your manufacturer or safety guidelines on the machines and make sure that you're not altering or removing required safety apparatuses. Many times the manufacturer will not work on the machine if a safety device has been altered or removed. Always take the time and do this safely. And that is the end of my video for today.